Hi guys, my name is Hiren Nasta. I'm a filmmaker. I have around 14 years of experience in advertising and filmmaking. I am usually asked this question as to how do you become a filmmaker? How does anyone get into the process of filmmaking? If someone wants to become a director, a casting director, a producer, what are the steps that they need to take to enter this line? And how do you go about it? Well, to answer all your questions, I'm conducting a workshop at Skillwise Solutions, uh, which is happening on Sunday, the 13th of September from 4 to 5 p.m. I hope you guys attend that. That's where I'll teach you how do you go about the process of filmmaking, how can you become a successful filmmaker, how uh, how did I start my journey is something I'm going to speak about over there. What uh, how did I go about it? How what it took me to work with some of the best filmmakers around the world to learn from their craft, and yeah, these are some of the details that I will share with you guys. And I really hope to see you for the workshop, where I'll help answer all your questions, and hope to see you there, guys. Bye. Take care. Sunday, 13th September, Skills by Solution page at from 4 to 5 p.m. All right, take care. See you. Bye. Stay safe.